Welcome students. In this video we are going to discuss about pseudo first order reaction and difference between order of the reaction and molecularity. First we will see what is meant by pseudo first order reaction. Pseudo means false. Kinetic study for higher order reaction is very difficult because to measure the concentration of all the reactants simultaneously is very difficult. So the kinetic study of the higher order reaction is very difficult. To explain the pseudo first order reaction, I have taken this example, hydrolysis of ester. So this is the ester. It undergo hydrolysis, gives acetic acid and methanol. So during this reaction, this water is taken in large excess. So the concentration of the water remains almost constant during this reaction because we have taken large excess of water. It does not change significantly during the reaction. So the concentration, the rate of the reaction now is depends upon only the concentration of ester. So here two reactants actually involved during this course of reaction, but the rate of the reaction is depends upon the concentration of the ester, not by water, because water is act as a solvent and it is taken as the large excess. So during this reaction the concentration of water almost remain constant. It does not affect the rate of the reaction. So what is meant by pseudo first order reaction means a second order reaction can be altered to first order reaction by taking one of the reactant in large excess. Such a reaction is called pseudo first order reaction. Next we will discuss about the difference between order of the reaction and molecularity of the reactions. Already we have discussed what is meant by order of the reaction and also molecularity. Now we will discuss the difference between both the things. First one is order of the reactions. Order of the reactions means the sum of the powers of concentration terms involved in the experimental determined rate law. That means I will explain this concept with the example. Consider this reaction when X molecules of A react with Y molecules of B, give the product C and D. This is the reactant. Rate law for this particular reaction can be expressed as K into concentration of A raised to the power m and concentration of B raised to the power n. This m and n are called order of the reactions. So these are determined by experimentally, not by stoichiometric ratio. So this order of the reaction can be determined only experimental values, data. So here the m and n. So what is this order of the reaction means? Sum of the powers of concentration terms involved in the experimental data. So this m and n, we just added these two so that we are getting the overall order of the reaction. Then here molecularity means it is the total number of reactant species that are involved in an elementary step. To explain this, just consider this reaction, decomposition of hydrogen peroxide, H2O2, hydrogen peroxide, two molecules of hydrogen peroxide decomposes into water and oxygen. This reaction actually takes place in two steps. One is H2O2 gives in the presence of iodine. Here iodine has acted as a catalyst, gives H2O plus OI minus. Second step is H2O2 gives H2O I minus plus oxygen. Among these two steps, the first step is known as RDS, that means rate determining step. So here hydrogen peroxide and also iodine involved in the rate determined step. So this molecularity of this reaction is 2. So this comes in the category of bimolecular reaction. So molecularity means it is the total number of reactant species that are involved in an elementary step. This is the first step. Here 2 species involved in the rate determining step. So molecularity of this reaction is 2. It is considered as the bimolecular reaction. This is the first difference between order of the reaction and also molecularity of the reaction. Second one is can be zero value or fractional number or integer. The order can be 0 or fractional value, or it may be an integer, but molecularity always it is a whole number. It cannot be 0, cannot be a fractional number. Third difference is it assigned for the overall reaction. So it is assigned for overall reaction. Molecularity assigned for each elementary step of mechanism. It is assigned for each elementary step of mechanism. So these are all the difference between order of the reaction and molecularity. Thank you.